So continuing from the operations, we are dealing with the last part of the operations, which is the comparators. And for the comparators, we have the less than sign, okay, the greater than sign. I was using them before. The equal to sign. This is the less than or equal to sign. The greater than or equal to sign. Then this symbol is not equal to, okay. So let us see how we can use them. So let us talk about the less than comparator. So you can say print, and it always yields a true and false, okay. So print 4 is less than 5, okay. And from here we get, when I run this code, we get what? True. So this is the less than operator, okay, comparator. Then we have the greater than. The greater than says print 4 is greater than 5, which is false. Let me put a hashtag here. So this is false, okay. So 4 is greater than 5 is false, okay. Then we come to the next one, which is what? Equal to. Now people confuse this equal to sign with this one, okay. I'll show you the difference. Now the double equal to sign means a comparison. You are comparing two things. Example, if I say x is equal to, let's say, 5, okay, and I tell you that let's say y is equal to 4. This equal to sign is used for assignment. It's the assignment operator. I'm not talking about the assignment operator because I've already explained variables and assignment of values to variables and all those stuff. So that's the assignment operator, okay. But then when I say x double equal to y, you are comparing the two. This is saying, is x equal to y? And the answer is false. 5 is not the same as 4. 5 is not equal to 4. So the double equal to sign is rather comparing the two values, x and y. It is not assigning the value of x, the value of y to x, okay. So let me say print. So when we print this, we are going to get what? Let me comment this one out so that we don't get some weird stuff. False. X is not equal to y, okay. But if you should do it like this, you are going to get an error, okay. But then later on we are going to see how to use a equal to sign in a function and what it means. But for now, you can't use the single equal to sign as a comparison operator. Rather, it is used as what? An assignment operator. So if I had said x is equal to y, it means that now the value of x is now y, and y is 4. So now x also becomes 4, okay. Now remember, anytime you assign, initially I assigned 5 to x, and now later I'm assigning y to x, which is 4. It means that the current value of x is not 5 anymore, but it is rather y, which is 4, okay. So the computer will take the last assignment operation you did for a particular variable. So if you say x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3, the last one is x equals to 3, and the value of x is now 3, okay. So take note of the assignment operator and the difference between the assignment operator and the equal sign, okay. So this is equal to, and we see that x is not equal to y, or 5 is not equal to 4. So now let us move on to the less than or equal to, okay. So we have, you can say that, let me comment this one out. So we can say that print 2 is less than or equal to 6, and it is true. 2 is less than 6 but not equal to 6. At least one of them is true, so it's true. So if you have to print this one out, we get what? True, okay. So 2 is less than or equal to 6, and it is true. Okay. Note, you can't put a space between the operator symbol. When you're writing the less than or equal to, it should be together. If I run this, I get an error and say invalid syntax. So the syntax requires that they are put together. Okay. So this is how we write it. And you cannot start with the equal to sign. You cannot say equal to or less than 6. So 2 is equal to or less than 6. This is also wrong. Okay. So it is the less than operation before the equal to sign. And the same applies to the greater than or equal to. Okay. So you can say print, and as I said, so 5 is what? Greater than or equal to. With no spaces, the greater than sign starts first, and we follow by this. So 5 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay. So this becomes false. So 5 is not greater than or equal to 6. So it's false. So this is a greater than or equal to operator. Okay. And lastly, we want to use a not equal to. So this is saying equal to, and this is saying not equal to. So anytime you start with the exclamation mark, it means what? Not something. So not equal to. There are more of them, but this is what you need as your basics in Python programming. So 5 is not equal to 6, and it is true. Let me comment this one out. Okay, then this is true. 5 is not equal to 6. Okay, so it holds true for this case. And 6 is not equal to 6, which is false. 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so if I'm to decomment them and run them as code, as run all of them together, I have this. Okay, so when I run them, we get this is true, this is false, and this is false, and this is true, and this is false, and this is false. So true, false, false, true, false, false. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the comparators. Okay, have a nice day. I'll share this in our Telegram group. So bye.